Hi, my name is Chelsea Taylor, and I am the owner of MyoSynergy Performance. My vision is to provide elite, affordable, and accessible services for massage therapy and athletic recovery in the community. One of the problems I find around here on the North Shore is that massage therapy is too expensive and it's very inconvenient. My solutions to these problems are that I offer affordable services, also with student pricing available, and for people who are able to commit to long-term treatment, they will also get a discounted reward. The other solution is that I'm accessible. So I'm located next to a gym where there are several different um, needs for this service. And then I'm also mobile, so I'm able to travel to my clients to provide another convenience factor. My revenue streams include my current therapy services, which can be up to $100 in an hour, and with more services to come, with more investments into other products and services. The products that I sell currently are foam rollers, which I make about $60 off of, and nutritional products, which can earn up to $100 per program sold, along with ebooks that will be made. Starting up, I believe about 10 grand will be able to help me to get the equipment I need to help me to have more services to offer more people that will run themselves. Also with membership services, money going into advertising and rent will definitely help. And why me? So I'm really good at what I do. I have worked over 8 years in the industry, and I've been the injured athlete and the therapist, and I can provide what people want, and I have a passion for helping people on how to improve the quality of their life.